Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new 2021 Sea Ray 310 SLX. Starting off with the boat's exterior, we have the optional Sea Ray blue full hull gel coat with a white boot stripe to really accent that hull color. Stainless steel insert within the rub rail is standard. You can see, of course, we've got the hard top with the extended sure shade. Coming back to the transom, huge trim tabs for this boat. Telescoping reboarding ladder off to the starboard side. Over here to the port side, we have a manual swim step. So full walk across at the transom, and I can engage the swim step, and now I can easily get in and out of the boat if I'm anchored or beached. We'll come around and we'll check out the inside. So here at the transom on Sea Ray's 310 SLX, we have this boat powered by twin V8 4.6 liter naturally aspirated 300 Mercury Verados. Plenty of torque, great performance on this boat. Here's that swim step I was describing outside. So really easy to deploy and bring back in. And just a nice feature on this full walk across the swim platform. We got a huge sun bed here that has two backrests that adjust to raise and lower and have multiple positions that you can angle the backrest. And then you can drop them down or work them individually or have them be equal to each other. Cup holders on both sides. We've got a charging port for a cell phone, Fusion stereo remote. This boat has fender clips or fender pros, so it's a quick disconnect to insert and remove your fenders very quickly instead of having to tie up on cleats. As we enter, battery switches are here. We've got a cooler box built into the floor. Freshwater sprayer, courtesy lighting. Got a reboarding step, make it a little bit easier to get in and out of the boat from a dock. Beneath this seat is part of your engine compartment, if you will, or a bilge area. So batteries are located beneath there, and that's powered by this hatch lift right here. Huge settee area here in the cockpit. There's storage beneath all of these seats. You can see here, so you've got open storage here, cooler boxes beneath those seats as well. There's storage behind this backrest, like glove box style storage. You'll notice that we have the sea deck flooring. This is snap-in flooring, so you can remove all of these pieces if you needed to clean them or just wanted to get them out of the boat for any reason. We've got our grill area, wet bar sink, refrigerator. It all runs off an inverter system, which also gives us 110 outlets, so you can bring a blender on board. Beneath this seat, we've got a slide-out igloo cooler, large subwoofer beneath this port side seat, Fusion speakers into the hardtop. Panning up to show the hardtop, we also have, in addition to great sun coverage, got a little convertible right here. So if I want to get some sun, I can open up that sunroof. We have more storage down on the floor. Currently have canvas for the boat stowed away. A through hole for the head's overboard discharge is located down there. Just lock this back into place. The helm seat and the observer seat on this boat are both very large, and the observer seat actually rotates to face the cockpit. So it creates a more inclusive social zone here. But a double wide seat, really tall backrest, so a very comfortable seat. Can easily handle a parent and a child or two adults as well. Flip up bolster for when you're running and facing forward. There's also storage beneath. Diamond stitched upholstery, really high-end upholstery, big thick cushions, so a very comfortable boat throughout. Moving forward, our head area. We have a self-contained porcelain head, vacuum flush toilet, lots of headroom down in there. Sink to the port side, a grab rail coming out, make it easier to get in and out of. Got a lockable glove box here with charging port and non-skid for your phones. Here at the helm, this seat does adjust, so I can bring it back or I can slide it forward. Again, double wide seat, flip up bolster as well. Steering wheel is on a tilt wheel, tilt base. You've got a glass dash here, all solid, so there's not inserts where the GPSs are. These are two twin SIMRAD screens. Everything's touchscreen. Same thing for the Fusion stereo head unit. Over here, we have, of course, our digital throttle and shift with those Mercury V8s. This is a joystick boat, so we've got our joystick, which includes our skyhook and our autopilot features as well. We also have a separate remote. This is cool. It's a new feature for those SIMRAD GPS units. So you don't have to do the touchscreen thing. You can also control it a little bit easier while you're driving with this remote right there. Something you'd see in some higher end cars as well. You got other hardwire switches for windlass control, horn, digital start and stops, more sound system things up here, speakers that is. The trim tab remotes are right here for what Sea Ray calls their dynamic running surface. Those are auto tab systems that can also be done manually. Here we've got basically our breaker switches, our fuse panel. Coming forward, lots of comfortable seating, plenty of space to lounge forward, and a lot of storage as well. These seats are on piano hinges. We have a table that can be bracket mounted either to the port side or the starboard side. Seat table is stowed here. Cup holders throughout, wrapped grab rails, fold down armrests. Similar storage on the starboard side. You do have a larger hatch beneath the starboard side seat and console. This equipment here is actually a drop-in filler, so I can have a bow filler set up with a bow filler cushion and make this all one big sunbed area. More Fusion speakers forward as well. Freshwater sprayer here at the bow. We've got our anchor windlass with remote controls up here in addition to what you have at the dash. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, and that's a look at our 310 SLX from Sea Ray. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thank you.